Good evening, present by Oscar Javier Silva, Módulo 2, Forum Inventions. Present to the teacher, Angela Garzón. Drive a motion left car, the sign has been the signs of the driver cab transmitted his messenger to others. Citrus Spencer has invented to facilitate the extraction of citrus juice. A stroller scooter has created to provide food to the puppy while carrying his baby. Lego case holder has been developed so that home we always fit the case. Baby bath visor has been developed to give comfort and tranquility to the baby bath. Iron bar mirror has been invented to make of better use of space. Umbrella was a cool powder has season created for those cool days of rain. Nighty portable golden orbs has invented to illuminate the room of the live ones of the house. Its screen looks was created by some would I know what to share easy screen. Laser by Lin was created so to travel quietly in the dark nights. Many thanks for the carry providence. You to our next occasion.